Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to apply for a small business credit card. Small business credit cards can be a valuable tool for managing expenses and building credit for your business. Let's go through the application process step by step. First, research different small business credit card options available in the market. Look for cards with benefits that align with your business needs, such as rewards for spending categories relevant to your business. Once you've chosen a card that suits your needs, visit the issuer's website to start the application process. Be prepared to provide information about your business, including your business name, address, industry type, and tax identification number. Next, you'll need to provide your personal information as the business owner, such as your name, address, social security number, and personal income. The credit card issuer will use this information to evaluate your creditworthiness. During the application process, you may be asked to estimate your business's annual revenue and expenses. It's essential to provide accurate information to increase your chances of approval and to ensure you receive a credit limit that meets your business's needs. The credit card issuer will also review your personal credit history as part of the application process. A strong personal credit score can increase your likelihood of approval and may enable you to qualify for better terms and rewards. Once you've submitted your application, the credit card issuer will review your information and make a decision. If approved, you'll receive your new small business credit card in the mail within a few weeks. After you receive your card, activate it following the issuer's instructions. Remember to set up online account management and payment options to keep track of your expenses and pay your bills on time. And there you have it. You've successfully applied for a small business credit card. Remember to use your card responsibly to maximize its benefits for your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.